Stop doom scrolling and let's start finding the longest substring without repeating characters. You see substring, I see sliding window. So we'll solve the simple problem with a simple technique called sliding window. And how do you do sliding window? You start by initializing the j and the ith pointer, and you run the j pointer through the substring till it does not reach the end of the substring. Okay, so we'll start initializing j over here and I over here. We'll start initializing answer is equal to 0 as well as a map to store the number of occurrences of each character. Now, how we'll solve this question? We'll simply traverse with the j pointer and see if all the letters are only a single occurrence. We'll try to see what is the length of that substring and try to match it with the answer. So answer will be the maximum of answer comma j minus I plus 1, which is the current length of the substring. If we find a letter which has more than one occurrence, we'll move the I pointer forward till we reduce the occurrence rate back to number 1. Okay, simple, simple. So starting, we'll start with j pointer, start iterating. The occurrence of p is now 1. Move j forward, occurrence of w becomes 1. Move j forward, occurrence of w is now 2. So now it's a repo. By the way, we have to update the answer as well. So answer at each point is j minus I plus 1, or maximum of answer. Okay, so at first point it's goes to 1. At now this index 1, j minus I plus 1 is 1 minus 0 plus 1, which is 2. Now we come over here. Okay, so now we see that there's a reoccurrence. Okay, so w is of 2 size. So now we'll move to I pointer forward till w becomes 1 again. So we move I forward. Now p becomes 0. We move I forward once again. Now w becomes 1. Now I is at index 0, 1, 2, and j is also at index 2. So answer is maximum of answer comma j minus I plus 1. So answer remains 2. Correct? Correct. So next we'll again continue moving j forward. J goes to k, number of k's is 1. Move forward, j goes to e, number of e is 1. Now again we check, answer is equal to maximum of answer comma j minus I plus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So j is at 4 and I is at 2. 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is 3. So answer is now 3. And thus we'll continue forward, but the maximum longest substring without repeating characters is found, and it's the w, k, and e. Even if you move forward, again the w will, the occurrence of w will continue, and so we'll move I forward. So this would be the longest substring, but the length would remain 3. Hence, this is the way we solve this problem, guys. Now the time complexity of this problem is big O of n. Technical is big O of twice of big O of n, because at worst case I might have to move, imagine a string which is all is. So I will have to move forward every single time as well. But still, it comes down to big O of n only, and space complexity is the hash map is also big O of n. So guys, this is it for this video. Meet you in the next one.